welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we start the major interior and start putting up the drywall. We hired a drywaller that Jim recommended, and he ended up being great. So first off, with our electrical power totally on, we installed some kitchen outlets so we could have power. Then we installed some outside electrical outlets so that the RVs had power. After Jim's passing, I had great support from the family, with Shelly showing up, my friend Roger, and also Gavin and some of his friends.
Let's not forget Eli and Teresa also showed up.
This is some of the hard laboring that we had to do just before some rain came in. Then even more families showed up, with Teresa and her son Eli, along with Ethan, and there's a drywaller, Gavin and Johnny, who finished up the basement insulation. All right, after the gang came, all walls on the interior of bedrooms are now insulated with soundproof stuff. Bathroom, so you have the ultimate quiet in the bathrooms. You got probably half the sheetrock up on the second floor. That's the primary. Rainy today. Downstairs bathroom walls are insulated. Left this one open. Mechanical room. Alright, we're gonna go upstairs. We got the plank so that we can actually get way up there. Or drywall and then painting. But our drywall pretty much banging this out and he's starting to tape. Yeah, we had to move the toilet so we could actually finish back here in the bathroom. Still got a little bit to put in here. Primary.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this.
Alright, this is the last room that got hung today. And taped and mudded. Alright, here we are. And he's got all the joints taped, corners on, drying things out. Everything is absolutely hung. There's a shower that isn't hung yet because that's going to be something different.
See our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone.
This is our energy recovery ventilator before it was fully installed. And all right, the ventilation system is set up and it's sucking and blowing. We got ducts going up. Let's look at the venting outside.
just in time to dry out the drywall.
Crazy weather at the beach. Hardly any wind and gorgeous. We're having our ice creams.